In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's quickly see the code implementation of binary tree level order traversal. Okay, so I will create one function level order. Okay, and inside this function we have one root. Okay, so this is my main function. Basically, here I will return the values. So I will start with the one value. Let's suppose if your root is equals to null, what you will do, you will simply return empty array, or suppose you can start queue, returning queue, and you can define queue here. Let q equals to an empty array. Okay, and whenever you are getting null, you will return q. Now what the variables that we need to take? So basically first I want to push a root, so I will simply say q dot push the root. Okay, and I will take one variable result, so let result equals to an empty array. Then I will take one head pointer that is pointing to 0. Once this is done, what I will do, I will say while my head pointer is less than q dot length. Okay, because now my queue won't be empty, right? My queue won't be empty. Remember that I guess that I have not changed in my pseudo code. But when my head is less than q dot length, basically till I will run this loop. Okay, and what I will do, I will simply calculate the size. So let size will be my q dot length minus head, right? Basically, and I will create one array, and I will simply start a loop basically that will run to the size, right? So for let I equals to 0, I less than size, and I plus plus. Now inside the here I will create basically what will be my node. So node will be my queue head pointer. Okay, this will be my node, and I will simply, once this is done, what I will do, I will push to the node dot well, basically because level order traversal. So I will push it, and I will say, okay, if suppose my node dot left is not equals to null, then what I will do, I will push the node dot left into my queue. So queue dot push node dot left. Similarly, I will push node dot right if it is not equals to null. So this will be right. Okay, q dot push right. Yeah, these two condition, and what I will do, in each iteration I will move my head pointer, so head plus plus. And after this while loop, I will simply return basically the array, right? So I will return my array, and yeah, basically. So instead of this, I can say here I have array dot push. Okay, and this function, so here it's my array dot push, and it's not return, it will be simply result dot push, because I need to push the array. So I will push array, and here I will return the result. Yeah. So yeah, this will be a quick code. Let me decrease the size so that it will make you a sense. Level order traversal function. These are your variables. You are taking one while loop starting from head, right? And inside that we have one for loop. And after this for loop, what we are doing, whatever the things that we are pushing into an array, we are pushing into the result. And after this, we will return the result, right? So this will be my code. Okay. In the next video, I will give you a quick dry run of this. Okay, how this code is working, how the different things are working. So I will give you a complete dry run of this code, and see you in the next video then.